Greetings, space enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a cosmic journey to celebrate a remarkable milestone, the 20th anniversary of the International Space Station. Strap in as we explore 2 decades of collaboration, engineering marvels, and scientific breakthroughs in orbit. The shared vision. The International Space Station is not just a celestial structure. It's a living testament to the power of shared vision among nations. Launched in 1998, the ISS is a shining example of international collaboration, where the dreams of exploring space go beyond borders. The initial agreement to build the station was a historic moment, turning what was once a space race into a cooperative effort. The ISS is a cosmic microcosm where language barriers dissolve and cultures converge in the pursuit of knowledge, demonstrating that humanity can achieve great feats when working together toward a common goal. As we reflect on this shared vision, it's crucial to appreciate the intricate diplomacy that has kept the ISS operational for 2 decades. The cooperation goes beyond technical collaboration. It involves navigating political landscapes and maintaining them. Delicate balance of contributions from each partner. This orbiting laboratory is a testament to the resilience of international partnerships in the face of challenges. The shared vision not only encompasses the construction and operation of the station, but also extends to the collective dream of what lies beyond. Perhaps a blueprint for future collaborative space endeavors. Engineering marvel. Now, let's delve into the awe-inspiring engineering marvel that is the International Space Station. The assembly of this colossal structure in orbit is a feat that stretches the limits of human ingenuity. Each module, carefully designed and constructed by different nations, had to fit together with precision. It's a testament to the ability of engineers and scientists worldwide to collaborate on a project that defies gravity, where every piece contributes to the overall functionality and sustainability of the station. Beyond its structural complexity, the engineering marvel extends to the station's self-sustainability. The solar arrays, stretching out like celestial wings, capture the sun's energy to power life support systems and scientific experiments. The recycling systems on board showcase an environmentally conscious approach to life in space, turning waste into resources. The ISS stands not just as a technological wonder, but as a model for sustainable living beyond our planet, an experiment in self-sufficiency that has implications for future long-duration space missions. Scientific discoveries. Now, let's orbit into the realm of scientific discoveries aboard the International Space Station. This microgravity laboratory has been a playground for groundbreaking experiments that redefine our understanding of the universe. Consider the biological research in Canisters experiment, exploring how microgravity impacts the growth of plants at a cellular level. Such experiments not only unravel the mysteries of life in space, but also hold the potential for advancements in agriculture and food production on Earth. The versatility of the ISS as a scientific platform is unparalleled. Whether studying fluid dynamics without the interference of gravity or investigating the effects of prolonged space travel on the human body, the station provides a unique vantage point for scientific exploration. These discoveries are not confined to the realm of academia. They have practical applications that echo back to Earth, influencing everything from medical treatments to materials science. The ISS isn't just a space station, it's a laboratory where the boundaries of knowledge are pushed and the fruits of discovery are shared with the entire human family. International cooperation in orbit. Beyond the scientific experiments, the International Space Station is a testament to the power of international cooperation in the cosmos. Imagine living and working in the confined quarters of the ISS, where astronauts from different nations collaborate seamlessly. The camaraderie formed in this unique environment goes beyond cultural differences. It's a testament to the shared humanity that binds us all. The ISS has become a symbol of what can be achieved when diverse minds come together with a common purpose. The international cooperation witnessed on the ISS extends beyond the scientific endeavors conducted within its walls. The lessons learned from working together in space foster diplomatic ties that have far-reaching implications. The spirit of collaboration on the ISS is a model for future space missions where nations combine their strengths to explore the unknown. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, unity is the key to unlocking the mysteries of the cosmos. Impact on future exploration. As we celebrate 2 decades of the International Space Station, it's essential to recognize its lasting impact on the trajectory of future space exploration. The station serves as a living blueprint for future long-duration space missions, offering invaluable insights into the challenges and solutions for sustaining human life beyond Earth. Lessons learned from the ISS will undoubtedly shape the strategy and technologies needed for the ambitious goal of sending humans to Mars. Moreover, the ISS is a testament to the enduring nature of international collaboration in space exploration. The partnerships formed in orbit pave the way for future joint ventures, where nations pool resources and expertise for the collective benefit of humanity. The legacy of the ISS isn't just the scientific knowledge gained. It's the groundwork laid for a future where space is explored not as a competition, but as a shared endeavor, reflecting the unity and curiosity that define our species. As we celebrate the 20th anniversary of the International Space Station, let's not just marvel at the technological achievements or scientific discoveries, but reflect on the deeper lessons it offers. Lessons of unity, resilience, and the boundless possibilities that unfold when diverse nations join hands in the pursuit of knowledge. The ISS is more than a space station. It's a beacon guiding us toward a future where the cosmos is not a frontier to be conquered, but a canvas upon which we paint the collective dreams of humanity. And so, fellow space enthusiasts, as we conclude our cosmic journey through the 2-decade legacy of the International Space Station, we find ourselves standing on the shoulders of giants. The ISS isn't just a structure orbiting the Earth. It's a symbol of human potential, collaboration, and the insatiable curiosity that propels us toward the stars. If you found this voyage as enthralling as we have, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more interstellar content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic exploration. If you have suggestions for future space odysseys or topics you'd like us to delve into, drop them in the comments. Until our next cosmic rendezvous, keep looking up, keep dreaming big, and may your journey among the stars be filled with wonder and discovery. Safe travels, fellow spacefarers.